Our freedom fighters endured countless sufferings to give Indians their freedom. 15th of August is a day to remember and honor them. A very heartfelt morning to one and all present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary and I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. India is celebrating 75 years of independence from the British rule this year. After countless sacrifices and struggles, Indians won their freedom on August 15, 1947. Let's we all take a moment to think of those sacrifices and what they had to pay for the freedom we enjoy. Let us appreciate everything we have and celebrate our freedom. Let us pray to God. Dear God, you are the rock on which this nation was founded. Let us pray to Almighty and Eternal God. May your grace enkindle in all. So, my dear friends, join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, dear friends, freedom was hard to get, but we were blessed to have it. We are indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. Let's remember the sacrifices of the innumerable freedom fighters for our nation's independence. Our freedom fighters inspired not only the Indians, they inspired the world. Let's take a trip down the memory lane and rejoice in the courageous thoughts of our freedom fighters. And for today's thought, I would like to invite Harleen from class 8. Good morning to all of you. My name is Harleen. Thought of the day is: every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country, but with certain duties. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Harleen. After so many years, much has changed. The struggle for freedom lives on in history books and memoirs, and on the tombstones of valiant martyrs. Our karma drives the nation on its way forward, and population has crossed billion mark. My dear friends, on this Independence Day, let's take a pledge that we will become responsible and good citizens of our country and make every effort to make it the best in the world. And next we have a beautiful presentation for you on Independence Day of India, which includes bravery of Indian Army, view of Indian architecture, India's mathematicians, bravery of our freedom fighters. For the presentation, I would like to call Arav from class 8. Great, that was so impressive and heart-touching presentation. Independence Day remained the sole national festival till India declared itself a republic in 1950. Under this flag, there is no difference between a prince and a peasant, between the rich and the poor, between the man and woman. Every 15th of August is an important day for all Indians. We are remembering the 75th years of Azadi. Poems are the best way to express our feeling and love for the country. And next I would like to invite Hia from class 8 to recite a poem. Thank you, Ria, for such a nice poem. Independence Day reminds us to be loyal and truthful to our nation for the sake of those who lost lives, for the sake of those who stand at the borders to save our lives. Let us respect and love each other, spread brotherhood, and this is the true essence of freedom, and this is what we should remind everyone on the Independence Day. And next we have a quiz. To check and enhance our knowledge, I would like to invite Kimaya from class 8. Thank you, Kimaya, for enhancing our knowledge.